Welcome to 31 West Church. Walking distance to stores, schools, train, shops, restaurants, inviting front porch, hardwood floors throughout, nice bright living room, dining area with chandelier, eat-in kitchen, stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry, gas stove, first floor full bath with a tub, second floor has 2 bedrooms, possibly 3, depending on how you want to use them. We have 1 bedroom here, corner bedroom with 3 large windows, and full master bath. Good sized closets, and another room that could be a walk-in closet or an office or a smaller bedroom. Now we'll take a walk and go outside. So nice size backyard. There's also a lower level, unfinished, with a laundry and utility room. Thanks for visiting. Call if you have any questions.